This alleged Iranian terror plot to kill the Saudi ambassador, the FBI reported today, is really quite something. It reads like any one of the 419 scams in my spam folder, meets an episode of 24 or Breaking Bad, meets Yellow Cake and the run-up to the Iraq War. Is this real life or some Bay of Pigs pre-election year hallucination? Folks, stop and think. Setting aside the long track record of lies by the US and Israeli governments, just ask yourself these questions. Why would Iran want to assassinate the Saudi ambassador? Iran and Saudi Arabia are friends. Ambassadors are not decision makers. They are glorified messengers, and in these days of instant global communications, no longer enjoy the autonomous plenipotentiary powers they did in the days of sailing ships. There is no reason to kill an ambassador because another one representing the same exact government policies would arrive the very next day. Why would Iran involve Mexican drug cartels? Drug cartels are great at smuggling and slicing up competition and informants with chainsaws, but are not known for skills at diplomatic assassination. Why do such a pointless killing inside the United States, knowing the US is looking for any excuse at all to launch a war in Iran? People, the US and Israel are in a panic. Occupy America is growing, and the corporate media are unable to get a handle with which to ridicule and dismiss it. In desperation, the plan is to launch a major war with Iran, which will mean war with Russia, then use that resulting world war to demand the American people forget all about Wall Street's mortgage-backed security fraud, all about the ruined economy, all about the other wars, all about the lies, salute the flag and throw your money and our children into the bayonets of Israel's enemies on command. Because that's what worked the last 2 times. And the only people who can stop this are you. I need all of you to drop what you're doing and call your local TV station, your local newspapers, your Congress critters, and tell them in no uncertain terms that you know this Iranian plot is total bullshit, and you refuse to fight any more wars to save Israel or to save Wall Street. Then call all your friends and family and ask them to do the same. Do it now. Tomorrow may be too late. To delay is to lose. If we do not choose to fight against these money junkies now, we will soon have no choice but to fight for the money junkies from now on. If they get this war they want launched, none of us will ever live to see a time of peace again. Is that the world you want to leave to your children? Get angry, make noise, be heard, be seen, be a member of the human race. Do the right thing.